Who makes this kit, Jürgen?
No, it's RC Factory Slick.
It's an RC Factory
but
one.
It's modified.
Well, that's what I would expect with you, Jürgen.
I have milked the...
Oh, it's even thinner than standard.
Yeah, you see it in the light.
Yeah, I know.
It's shiny.
It's practically transparent.
And here my cables are thin CO draht.
Is that carbon?
That is carbon, but that are no rods, it's tubes.
Oh, tubes?
Yes.
Oh, so more rigid?
Yeah. It's lighter.
Lighter, okay.
And here my cables.
What? Cables to what? These?
For the servos.
Servos?
Yeah.
And what servos are those then?
Char servos.
They're what servos?
Char.
Char?
C-H-R.
C-H-R, okay. I'll have to look those up. And then the drive system?
It's a T-motor, M40 with 1850 kV.
Okay, and does it move?
In both
directions, yaw and pitch, and forwards and backwards.
Yeah.
Insane. Okay.
Can just fly normal.
Sure. Whatever normal is in Jürgen's world.
But it can slow because the weight is with battery 113 grams.
Sorry, how heavy? 13? 113 grams, which is nothing. Okay. So this isn't 3D, this is kind of 4D.
Yeah.
So you fly much like on the prop pitch, is it on the, yeah, it's on the left stick, on the throttle stick.
Yeah, you fly it like a helicopter.
Like a helicopter, yeah. So
middle cut is in the middle of the
yeah, zero throttle is in the middle of the stick. Gotcha.
So you can fly a rainbow. And you can fly normal. So you can talk normally. And backwards.
What?
You can land like this.
Inverted flat spins we're landing. What?
So that is this.
What? There's nothing it doesn't do. It flies in every possible direction.
Yeah.
I love it.
It's mostly my plan that I fly.
Yeah. That is amazing. This is why I come to Leipzig for this show. You just see jaw-dropping innovation from guys like Jürgen and Chris.
Liebe Aussteller und Besucher, bitte achten Sie auf Ihre Wertgegenstände und geben Sie Taschendieben keine Chance.
Awesome. Thanks, Jürgen.